Goodbye, yesterday's rags. Hello, high fashion. Dance before you's a man that built a castle with sand. With no regards for tidal waves are finally established. To the water comes a gallon, drums and wipes away my palace. But now I'm sitting lovely off in Wonderland with Alice, with purple people passing me the caterpillar's chalice. You're probably thinking I'm wrong, right? Like I should quit writing these songs, right? Tell you what, do it better, I just might. Take it back to 86, you on the lick side. Don't let the TV mislead you. Me and you, dude, we are not equal. Fuck you, this is for my people. Fuck you, this is for my people. Don't try to hide like I can't see you. Your parents must be trans and so see-through. Fuck you, this is for my people. Fuck you, this is for my people. Put up your peace side, put your index down. Put up your peace side, put your index down. Put up your peace side, put your index down. Put up your peace side, put your index down.
Before I utter words and before I start to begin, let me make sure you clear I'm about securing the win. I puzzle up my words while I piece another concoction, cause I'm stubborn with the thought that failure is never an option. I grind like a carpenter till my calluses bleed, with the passion from my heart to the many mouths that I feed. That's why I look at most of you stupid. I know it's hard because you can't really do nothing to me unless you God. But being that none of you ain't him, you can't fuck with me, now watch me erase them. Now trust me, see I'm so determined, I'm walking through the heat regardless how the fire is burning or how the tire is turning on the rim of the V. I laugh and shake it off the shit they be doing to me. With all the yapping and talking and so, you think that you can ever stop the kid? Oh no! So if you get in my way, you know you done, son. You best believe what I say, you better run, son. Fuck you because I do this for my loved ones. Fuck you because I do this for my loved ones. You better kneel down and pray, that's where I come from. We going hard every day, that's how the fight's won. Fuck you because I do this for my loved ones. Fuck you because I do this for my loved ones. The peace out with the index down. Put up the peace out with the index down. Put up the peace out with the index down. Put up the peace out with the index down.
Look, mom, no hands. Your little boy's a man. Everything you said is finally setting in. Training wheels fell off and I kept pedaling. Now I'm riding wheelies on this industry. Say the word out, ghost ride this bitch instantly. Good looking pop for the strength that you're giving me. Wasn't for you, gym class would be history. I'm on my upstate shit. I was Brooklyn broke, but now I'm upstate rich. Getting brains from two dames with French accents. I don't mess with local chicks, I get them upstate shit. You're probably thinking I'm wrong, right? Like I should quit writing these songs, right? Tell you what, do it better, I just might. Take it back to 86, you on the big side. Now it's a lie that y'all can't stand me, cause my resemblance to Prince is uncanny. But fuck you, this is for my family. Fuck you, this is for my family. Upstate New York to Miami. Up late recording in my jammies. I do it for my family. Fuck you, this is for my family. Put up the peace side, put your index down. Put up the peace side, put your index down. Put up the peace side, put your index down. Put up the peace side, put your index down. Put up the peace side, put your index down. Put up